Hello and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to show you how to make rye bread in the bread machine. Super simple. I'll show you the steps, but before we go there I want to let you know that I also have other simple tasty recipes on my channel. I have gardening tips on how to grow fresh vegetables in containers. I have product reviews and I have some meditation videos, so check those out when you get a chance. But now let's go make that bread. Here's a quick look at all the ingredients. I will put a list of ingredients and the measurements down in the description box so you don't have to worry about trying to memorize this. So we're going to add 1 cup of water, and I mixed in a 1/4 cup of sour cream. I have some oil, molasses, caraway seeds. I have my rye flour, easy for me to say. Here is my bread flour. Here's my salt. I'm going to put this on the outer edge. I don't want to come in direct contact with the yeast that I'm getting ready to put in here. And here's the yeast. And that's it. We're going to close it. Now I'm going to put this on a wheat bread for 1.5 pounds, and I'll meet you back when it's done. Miss Rye, are you ready for your close-up?
Why, yes, I am.
Ta-da! Beautiful. Look at that big loaf of rye bread. I'm going to slice into it and let you get a closer look. Look at that rye bread. It's a great texture. Nice little bread holes in there. That shows there's lots of flavor in there. Great for toasting, eating on sandwiches. Such a great bread to have at home to make. Make this at home for yourself, your friends, and your families. That's it for now. Bye-bye.